Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a hobby box of 2023 Topps Heritage Baseball. I really enjoy Topps Heritage stuff, and one thing I really love about it is that it hasn't gotten ruined by breakers and by flippers. This stuff, when it comes out, it's always at a very reasonable price, and it usually actually goes down, in price. So it's always a fun, cheap rip. And this is a hobby box. You get a real one autograph or relic card in every box. Sometimes you can get like an image variation or something. As you can see on the box, it's this set is based on 1974 Topps design. Let's go ahead and rip it. Oop. I definitely like the cheaper products, especially in baseball. It seems like the more expensive stuff, it's just getting more and more expensive and harder to get good hits out of it. So, I'm a fan of the cheaper stuff, like Heritage, like Allen Ginter. Ooh, look at that, a puzzle. That's pretty cool. I don't know if this comes in every box, but that is an actual puzzle. A Juan Soto. Very cool. That's a really interesting box topper. Okay. So here's what the packs look like. Very cool looking simple design on the packs. Hey, and we have pack odds on here. Thank you, Topps, for putting them on the packs. And what's cool about Heritage is sometimes, I think it's like one out of a case, you can get a hot box, which has a purple chrome refractor in every single pack. So we'll see very quickly if we got a hot box or not. So we got you. Yeah, there's that 1974 design. There's the back. Now I will say, this set is not going to be as hard to grade as the last few years because you have a white border and you don't have like a black border or something on the back of the card. So these actually should be pretty decent for grading if you chose to grade some. Jose Barrios, Mackenzie Gore, Lamont Wade, Nasty Nestor, Max Stassi. There's a then and now, Mike Schmidt, Kyle Schwarber. That's an insert. These inserts are usually hard to pull. Rich Hill and Jeimer Candelario. So we did not get a hot box. Now we just hope we get an auto instead of a relic in our box, and hopefully we get a cool, variation. Now this is a nice card. James Outman. He's having a really good year, and that is his rookie card. So we're gonna sleeve that one. We got Kohei Arihara. We got Yuri Rodriguez rookie. ERA leaders. Now I will say my border, look at the edges on these. These edges are a little rough. So maybe a little bit of a dull cutter that they had going there. Trent Grisham. Luis Severino. There's a 74 flashback. Another Mike Schmidt. And this is an insert also. Ramon Laureano and Ryan McMahon. We have Shea Langeliers, rookie. Starling Marte. Aaron Nola. Patrick Corbin. Elvis Andrus. Brian De La Cruz. Another flashback. So we're getting some nice rare inserts here. Rockefeller. Jake Fraley and Nick Lodolo. Now I haven't been looking at the backs. Let's see if we got any short prints. Now short prints should be cards that are numbered over 400. Or they might have something around here. I'm guessing if it's some sort of image variation or something. That's cool. They have a facsimile autograph on the back of all these. That's a pretty neat addition. but none of those appear to be short prints. All right, we have Ken Waldichuk, rookie. Nelson Velasquez, rookie. Dalton Varsho. Mike Yastrzemski. Gio Urshela. Josh Bell. Another flashback. Tony Perez. Now, maybe these aren't as tough to pull this year. Bryson Stott and Charlie Morton. Seems like a lot more action images in this year's Heritage also. Okay. This pack feels a little bit thicker, so we might have gotten a relic. Nope. I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe they just put an extra card in there or something. Oh, we got a refractor. Okay. Drew Smiley. Caleb Killian, rookie. Jordan Montgomery. Andrew McCutcheon. Gabriel Marino, rookie. Anthony Santander. And I'm actually going to save that one. We'll save a refractor and reveal it at the end. Sonny Gray, Bryce Harper. Oops. I was supposed to be looking for short prints here. All right. Okay, so we got Yusniel Diaz, Austin Riley, Jaron Duran, Nolan Jones, rookie, G-Man Choi, Cody Bellinger, Randall Gretchick, Leody Taveras, and Jonathan India. I'm actually surprised we haven't gotten any of the higher number short prints yet. I'm sure they're in here. I cannot get that thing to get off of my hand. That's crazy. Some static going on here, and there, it's gone. In the studio. We got Michael K. Brendan Donovan. He's got the All-Star Rookie Cup. Haesung Kim. Keegan Thompson. Brian Bello, rookie. Batting leaders. The great Luis Arraez. Nick Prado. Kenley Jansen. Ivan Herrera. I did buy a box also to put in our baller box opening. So I always try to, now that some cheaper hobby boxes have been coming up, I've been buying an extra hobby box to keep for the baller box openings. So stay tuned for those. We got Matthew Batten, rookie. There's an all-star third baseman. Drew Waters. There's a rookie. Jordan. Felix Bautista, rookie. He's a beast of a relief pitcher. Jazz Chisholm, Max Kepler, Jock Peterson, and Luis Arraez. We were just talking about him. And maybe there aren't short prints this year. Oh, this has to be some sort of error or variation or something. Does not have a team name up there. Ryan Aguiar for the Angels. Rookie. Have we had any other Angels? I don't know why there wouldn't be a team name up there. Must be an error. I actually haven't seen any other Angels. Connor Wong. Christian Yelich. There's a nice rookie. Michael Harris. Very cool. Now, it does look thick on top. If I was going to do a quick look at the potential for it being graded. Heritage cards are so hard to sleeve up. They're thicker. Anyway, it's a nice looking card. Michael Harris. All right, William Contreras, Blake Snell, Aaron Bummer, Mitch Keller, and DJ. Boy, I can't talk. DJ LeMahieu. Tyrone Taylor, Aaron Hicks, Manny Machado, Miguel Cabrera. That's pretty cool. Alexis Diaz, Franklin German, rookie pitchers, Colton Wong, and Mark Canha. Hey, there are short prints. Okay, so that was card number 410. So that's our first card. Maybe they're just harder to hit this year. But that Aaron Bummer is one of the high number short prints. Israel Pineda, rookie. Hunter Brown, rookie. There's the home run leaders. Of course, we'll never forget that Aaron Judge season. Calvin Biggio, Trey Mancini, Peyton Burdick, rookie. Jeffrey Springs, Casey Mize, and Gavin Sheets. Okay, we might be getting on a run of having packs with the short prints. This Jeffrey Springs is a high number. All right, Brian Hayes, Lance McCullers, Danny Jansen. I thought we had Danny Jansen already. Dominic Smith, Luke Voigt, Kanan Smith, Najibia, rookie, rookie outfielders, Logan Webb, Ben DeLuzio. Elier Hernandez. This is a rookie, but man, I do not know that guy. I've watched all the Rangers games this year. Andres Jimenez, Miles Mikolas, Carlos Rodon, all-star outfielders. DL Hall, rookie. Oh, I love the new age performers. There's the Riley Green, rookie. And we got Daniel Lynch, Ozzie Albies. That's a nice looking card there, the Albies. Okay. Guys, if I'm missing some sort of short print somewhere, please put down in the comments so I can go back and find these short prints. Because they might not label like the special rare inserts like they have the last few years. Might have to go through and try to look at the little codes at the bottom of the card. Got Josh Donaldson, Lourdes Gurriel, Ronzi Contreras, Carlos Carrasco. There's a Tatis, Hyunjin Ryu. There's another one, new age performer, Stephen Kwan. Not a rookie card though. Lane Thomas, Giancarlo Stanton. Miguel Andujar, Cesar Hernandez, Cedric Mullins, Patrick Wisdom. So there's a Mike Trout and and David Fletcher. So why aren't they putting Los Angeles up here? That makes no sense to me. This is weird. They forget to put the Angels' name on all the cards. That's weird. Very strange. Another new age performer, Oswald Cabrera, rookie. I'll sleeve that one too. Nate Fisher, Josiah Gray. What is going on with Topps? I would definitely also say they're making the short prints much harder to hit, or the high number cards. So that would be a much tougher set to put together, I think. You used to be able to get like one of them out every like 3 packs, I think. Man, that just almost looks like a Panini card. I wonder why they did that with the Angels. We got Martin Maldonado, Jorge Soler. We haven't got our hit yet either. We got Aaron Judge Special. Shows some of his older cards there. It's not an insert or anything. J.J. Bleday Rookie. Bo Bichette, Rowdy Tellez. There's a Michael Harris New Age Performer Rookie. Ji-Hwan Bae Rookie and All-Stars there. Okay. I keep thinking, oh, we're going to hit a relic, but we haven't hit it a relic yet, so maybe we'll get an auto. Clay Holmes, Robbie Ray, Jacob Junis, Graham Ashcraft Rookie, Logan Gilbert, Yainer Diaz Rookie, Simeon Woods Richardson Rookie, another Angels Patrick Sandoval, and J.P. Crawford. I need to go find out why they're not putting the Angels team name on these. Very strange. Well, we still have like 6 or 7 packs left. Ah, dog meat. Looks like we did get a relic. Okay, so Zach Thompson, Jack Swinsky Rookie. I'll sleeve that one. I thought his rookie cards were last year too. I didn't know he had rookie cards this year. Who knows? Joey Gallo, Will Smith, Cal Stevenson Rookie. We'll just go ahead and show it. Alright, Seiya Suzuki Game Used Jersey. Nice design on those. Keston Hiura, Tristan McKenzie. I'd much rather have an auto though, but at least you get game used relics in Heritage. It's a nice Jack Swinsky. We still have a Chrome card to look at also, by the way. And it looks like it's a refractor because I saw the edge. All right, Joey Meneses Rookie. Rookie Cup, too. Christopher Morel Rookie. Marcus Stroman. Geraldo Perdomo. Joe Ryan. And there's a drive by Nick Castellanos. Jordan Lyles. Spencer Strider Rookie Cup. And John Birdie. There's a white card. Did we get a redemption? It's not thick. Bryce Johnson, rookie. Adam Wainwright. Justin Turner. Kevin Gossman. Martin Perez. Now it's a backwards card. Oh, maybe that's our image variation or something. So we'll put that over here too. All right. Garrett Mitchell. Dre Jameson. Couple more rookies. Wow, they really cut back on the short prints. I think set builders are going to be irritated about that. We got strikeout leaders. Garrett Cole and Corbin Gotta Let It Burns. Sean Murphy, Nick Solak, David Hensley, rookie. There's All-Stars. Brett Beatty, rookie. Rhys Hoskins. Nolan Gorman, rookie. And Nick Pivetta. Man, there's a lot of rookies. Now, they didn't used to put rookie cards just in the regular set of the low number heritage. They usually waited until high number. So, they did this in 2022 also. So, I might have to buy me a box of this stuff and just put it away. Because I do that with heritage high number because it's got all the rookies in it. But if they're loading up the regular heritage with rookies, I'm going to save a box of those too. Salvador Perez, Max Muncy, Nico Horner, Pete Alonso, Polar Bear, Leading Fireman, Jesse Winker, World Series, Luis Patino, and Kyle Tucker. Okay, Rhys Hoskins is a short print. So we did get 3 short prints so far. Still seems a lot less than past years. There's Brian Reynolds, Easton McGee, rookie, Riley Green, rookie. Let's leave that one. Jorge Lopez, Wander, Nathaniel Lowe, Dane Dunning, Pablo Lopez, and Torkelson. And our last pack magic. David Peralta, Marcus Wilson, rookie, Liover Peguero, rookie, Taryn Vaver, rookie. So many rookies this year. Tim Anderson, JT Realmuto, postseason. Is that Judge? There's Aaron Judge. And another Judge. 3 Judges in a row. That's crazy. Alright. Now. Oh. Dane Dunning is a short print. So we got 4 short prints in our box. Yeah, 5. This, that AL postseason card is a short print. That's kind of weird. Usually they don't put cards like that as these short print cards. Dane Dunning having an outstanding year for my first place Texas Rangers. Okay. Let's see. First, let's take a look at this Chrome card. This refractor. Alright. It's a Miami outfielder. A rookie. Gerard Encarnacion refractor. So we did get a rookie refractor here. And that is numbered out of 574. 147 out of 574. And whatever this thing is. Toronto. Hey, is that Vlad Jr.? Yep. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Some sort of short print here. Okay, so it does not tell you what is the short print about it, unless it is a short print number. That's unusual that they would put that card backwards. It doesn't seem to be anything more than just a high number short print, but maybe it's an image. Man, I'm going to see if I can see the code here. Man, it's so small. Oh, man, it's like really hard to read. I think it ended with an 8. think it has a different code than the Dane Dunning short print. So I will have to do some research and find out if this is like an image variation or what. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.